I'm filming in
You don't even have to take anything off.
24 frames a second. 26. This is Tyler. He's gonna do the intro. He loves it. Look at that. He's excited already.
Like, what are we doing right now?
Welcome to the channel, the vlog, brother. Flex. Anyways, today Tyler's being an idiot, and we're not really even doing anything. But I needed to film today, so here we are. We're replacing the reverse light. Is that what it's called?
Reverse lamps. Yeah.
Reverse lamp. Ooh, it's a lamp.
I love lamp.
From Arkansas.
Sponsored by Rockstar.
Ooh, cracking cold ones with
The f***ing
Saturdays for the boys.
It's right on your nose. Oh, pinky out.
Alright guys, this is a super serious install.
Whoa, bro.
This takes at least 6 hours. You gotta pop this out first. Really intense. Can you get in there, Tyler?
What's this?
Can you get in there? We gotta get that clip off. It's gonna take a long time.
No, the lighting's terrible.
The lighting's great. Awesome. Look at that.
Whoa.
This is called a two-piecer. It's like three-piece rims, but two-piece. Then you probably need a buddy for this buddy system to pull this.
Wow.
Oh, that was like actually in there. Then you're gonna reach down and you're gonna twist and shout. Oh, like a glove, boys. There it is. There's your light. See it?
Wow.
Now what you want to do, take your new light, boom, pop it out.
Wow, let me see that. Oh.
Take your new light. Was it broken? It was broken. Take the new light. Boop. Pop that in. This is the greatest probably install video ever. This could be the million view install.
12.
All right, boys.
See you in the next one.
To put it back together, guess what? Do the reverse. The reversal. It's a really hard install. Definitely takes 2 people, sometimes 3. That's gonna be actually it for today. So, if you liked the video, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, especially because I know this video really got you going. And I'll see you in the next one.